Hey guys, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. Today I'm going to be doing a shopping haul from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. I purchased this stuff last week and I'm just now able to put this on video. So let's get started. So from Hobby Lobby, I found a memory box that was damaged. It doesn't have the glass in the front. A memory box, and I was thinking about putting my grandfather's some little things that I had from him when after he died, passed away. My grandmother gave me a couple things, so I thought I would put his stuff in it. And I thought that was a pretty good deal. And I could, if I want the glass, I could put something in there. And if not, I could just leave it like that. I don't think it would really matter. But, so that was only $2. The next thing I got was some Valentine crafts. And all of the crafts at I think it was last week, was like 80% off. And you got different sizes of hearts and design. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little cutout of hearts on the inside. You could pick that out. But those were 80% off of $2.99, so that was a great deal. Next thing, I also got some ribbon. It was $1.99 with 80% off. Little hearts. Next, some stamps. I got several stamps. This one was $2. This one, it was $2.25. This one, $2.25. This is the day which the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalms 118:24. I got another stamp for $1. Life is fragile. Handle it with prayer. I got some more paper crafts. They were $3.99, and those were also the 80% off sale. Stickers. And I love the mirror type ones. I don't know what you call that. But those were 80% off, $1.99. And here's some more stickers. And some more hearts. And these you don't have to use just at Valentine's Day. You can use it throughout the year on cards or your junk journals or whatever. Oops, sorry. And another stamp. It was $1.62. That one was really cute. I like that. I got 2 ink pads. This one is I think these are archival. Yeah, archival. This one's purple. I don't know if you can tell. It was $1.50. Normally $5.99. This was $1.50, usually $5.99. I got some spare parts, and these are little metallic. Hold on. These are 75 cents. Normally $2.99. Let's see. Brads. Yeah, these are little teeny tiny brads. I don't know if you can see. Anyways, so I thought I could do some cute little things with that. Here's another stamp. $1.50. And then I found, oh, here's another stamp. This is one of my favorite verses to put in my prayer journals or faith journals, which is the ask, seek, and knock verses from Matthew 7:1. Oh, no, 7:7. And that was $1, so I couldn't pass that up. And there were so many stamps up there for sale. You guys may want to check that out because I'm sure there's a bunch more still. Oh, I got this to do with my artwork. Little stencil. Actually, it's a pretty big stencil. My hands is that big. It's about the size of my hand and bigger. And then I got a bunch of ribbon. And since my husband and my anniversary is St. Patrick's Day, the 17th, I'm gonna get some of these. Now these are one of those with the little balls that hang, and I love that. This one has little danglies that hang, really cute. This one's in purple. These are all 25 cents. They're normally 99 cents, so this one's in orange. And then here's one with little teeny tiny pink feet that I might use in somebody's junk journal or some kind of book. So that was all from Hobby Lobby. So I think I got a great deal with that. I spent, I think everything I showed you, I may have taken something out, I don't know, but I did. Some of this wasn't on there, so I can't really tell you what the total is on that right now. But anyways, so now we're gonna go with the stuff I got at Dollar Tree. And I don't know if you guys are into using these little containers, but they're so handy. I usually put buttons in there or a lot of charms, because I can put those on my books that I make. And so when I have extras, I'll just put them in these type of things. But you can use them for anything. It's really cool. I also got a little box for spring. And that's at Dollar Tree. I thought that was really cute. And then I got fairy garden figurines. The reason I got this is to help me figure out size for when I'm making my clay projects, because a lot of times I think I go way too big, so the size comparison is going to be helpful. I got another stamp pad. This was Dollar Tree. And I always get a bunch of stickers from Dollar Tree. They always have great stickers. I cannot go wrong with stickers at Dollar Tree. Every time I go there, I end up buying stickers of some sort. And this is pretty neat. I'm going to check this out and see if this will work. I think I'm going to use this on my little mini notebook that I have to do Bible study with, that I carry with me. And just to protect it, I guess. We'll see if that works. Here's some more stickers for planning. Dollar Tree's really good about stickers, I have to say. These are planner stickers, so that would be neat. And I found these. These are the adhesive label holders. You could put in your books, in your on your wallet if you need something on your wallet. Anything. I bought this because I like, I just liked all the pictures in it. It's a little coloring book. I don't know, it just looks really cool. I thought I'd get that. Let me go through this stuff. And they had a bunch of these flowers that you can put, you know, put as decoration around the house for parties or just for decoration. I'm gonna do this for spring to kind of decorate the house. That was just $1. Then feathers, I can always use feathers. Love feathers. And then some clear repositional glue sticks. So these are ones that I guess take a little bit longer to dry, is what I'm assuming that is. So that was just $1. Here's some more stickers. Aren't they cute? Cats and doggies. Uh-oh, that one's coming apart. I'll fix it when I take it out. they have the best stickers, really. I find more stickers there than anywhere. Here's another one of those plushy flowers. And then they had a bunch of this fun fur yarn, which I love, and then my favorite color. This is, what color is this? Magenta. I love that color. Perfect. All of that was $1 each. And then a little butterfly box I'm going to decorate my house with. And I can put some little trinkets in there. Another flower. And then here's one of those hanging decorations with a bunch of flowers on there. I'm going to decorate my house with. Love. And then one more of those plushy flowers. This one's in blue. Love it. And and then these baskets, which you can always use baskets. I like these because they're the straight side. They're not curved on the side a little bit, so hopefully they'll go in very nicely together. Or I can just stack them if I want. So that, I believe, is it. I can't find the receipt for Dollar Tree, but you know, all of that stuff's just $1. Sometimes you can get them cheaper some other places, but for the most part, I seem to do really well at Dollar Tree. And then the Hobby Lobby deal stuff was just awesome. I had to get in on that. So if you guys have any stories of your own for your shopping, that'd be great. I'd love to hear from you. And if you guys have any ideas of me doing some crafting projects that you might need help with, or would just like to see how to do it, or just like to see if I can even do it, that would be a nice challenge for me. So let me know what you think, and if you would please like and subscribe to my videos, that would be awesome and very helpful. And I hope you guys have a great crafty day. See you later.